Hello great minds, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the simple strategy and the simple way to send coin to the same Binance users without paying for gas fee. If you want to send coin from one person to the other, you have to pay gas fee. Some network like TRC20 charge as high as $1. Imagine if you want to make a transaction of $5, you have to be paying $1 to send $5 out. Some of the starters, the new bees in the crypto space, this might be too much to pay for just $5. And also you can't send $3 out if you are using a normal wallet. You can't send $3 out. Even if you send it to the same Binance users, you cannot send anything as low as $10 if you're using TRC20. But how can you send even as low as $1 to another Binance user using the simple strategy I'm going to show you, which is the email and the Binance ID? I'm going to walk you through. If you don't really know about this, it's going to be a simple, straightforward step that will help you know how to do this on your own without any help from anyone. So I'll quickly walk you through this. So once you open your Binance, you launch your Binance app like this, you come to wallet. Then at wallet, you come to spot. Let's say I've copied the email address I want to send to. So let's say I want to send out, I want to withdraw. Let's use $2, because in the normal sense, you can't send out $2. You understand? You can't send out $2. The minimum you can send is $10 if you're using TRC20 network. So we're going to be trying it with $2, and we're going to be using Binance email. Understand? So you come to withdraw, and in this place, there are two ways to send, either via the crypto network, or you send via email or phone number or IV. So we're going to be sending using the email address. All right. So I will click and now select send via email. So in this first place, in this first box, if you click the first box, there are the three options are here: the phone number, the Binance ID, or Binance Pay ID. All right. So depending the one you want to send with, that's the one you're going to be selecting. So we're going to be sending with email. We'll try it first with email. So I'm going to be selecting the email. So in the second box where it asks for Binance account email, I will come here and paste the email I'm sending this to. All right. So and in the minimum, you see the minimum I can send as low as $1. So which is not really possible for you to do using the wallet, sending through wallet address. So I'll just select, let's try with $2 and see if it can work. Understand? So I will be sending at this place, no option for note. So if you're sending, I will click send. Then it comes out showing me the person I'm sending to, which is fine by me. So I click next. It will take me to the portal where I have to input my details, just like my PIN. Now, if you're a new person, if you're a new user of this platform, like you're sending through email for the first time, they will ask you to set your PIN. This PIN is necessary, just like your password to access. All right. So they will ask you to set your PIN. So if you're a new user, you're going to set your PIN. But if you're an old user like me who have been using this service, I can just easily type my password. So that is it. Successful. I have successfully sent 2 USDT to this user using the Binance email. So if someone wants to send to you and the person is a Binance user just like you are, and the person is scared of paying fee, you can just tell the person, all right, I'm going to send you my Binance email so you can easily send with my Binance email without charge. Okay. So how do you get your Binance email or your Binance ID? This is the email you use to register your Binance in case you have forgotten, because I know so many people forget this or don't know their Binance ID. So what do? You come to home. then you click this up that shows the Binance logo. That should be kind of your profile information. So you click on it. You click on it. Okay. So you click on it, and you will see your information. Just click on this. You'll see your information loaded here. Okay. So this is your Binance ID here, and this is your Binance email. So you can copy any one of them, depending on the one you want to send to your person who wants to send you USDT. So you can easily copy any of these and send to the person. So this is super straight, simple, and can help you avoid paying those high charges while sending your cryptocurrency, USDT, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency using the Binance email or the Binance ID. If this video is helpful, I want you to like it, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you know about this Binance email, if you've been using it, how it's the service to you. What can you say about the service? So drop that on the comment below, and whatever challenge you're having around cryptocurrency, you can also drop it on the comment below. Drop it on the comment, and I'll be looking to make video for you totally for free. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for staying with us. See you in our next video. Cheers.